here we have a classic. This is a cool elevator. It is very tiny, about the size of a small broom closet. It's an Amco. Let's go to 3. And it takes off. Let's take a cab here real quick. And we'll ride down to the first floor. Button does not pop out. I think it does. No, it doesn't. Lots of space in between floors. Door closes when you push the button. I like that. Beautiful old elevator. Sorry I didn't get it opening up. The tag, but we'll watch it close. Fan says it's on, but it's not working. So more than likely it's probably a wiring issue. Look at that truck. And there it goes. And that's it. And we'll take a look at the button. You can hear the relays. And that's it.